S25 Ultra. Guys, I have just entered the Samsung S25 Ultra manufacturing plant. Security is tight, so let's start the tour. I'm putting on the cleanroom suit. This keeps dust out. Even a tiny particle can damage a flagship phone. Guys, everything is spotless. These robots handle the delicate components. That round plate is a silicon wafer. Every S25 Ultra chip begins right here with chemical cleaning.
Giant machine is UV lithography. It prints nanometer level circuits on the wafer with ultraviolet light.
One corridor leads to the chip fabrication zone. This is where the new 3 nanometer processor for the S25 Ultra begins. Printing circuits, etching remove unwanted material. It gives the chip its 3-dimensional structure. They inspect each wafer for defects using this microscope scanner. Even a tiny error means the chip fails. The wafer is cut into hundreds of small dies. Each die becomes a single S25 Ultra processor. These machines place resistors, caps, and power chips on the motherboard.
This is chip packaging, adding contacts so the chip can be installed on the motherboard.
Look at the speed. These pick and place boards can place thousands of components per minute.
This is the phone's brain. I would like to connect my processor and PHNR processor. This oven melts solder paste and locks all components into place. Boards go through power on testing. If a board fails here, it never becomes a phone.
These sheets become the new high-density S25 Ultra battery.
These machines polish the massive 200 megapixel camera lens used in the S25 Ultra.
Samsung's battery testing is strict. Heat, pressure, puncture tests, everything.
Here they assemble the OIS module, the stabilizer that keeps your photos steady.
The full camera array, wide, ultra wide, periscope, telephoto, everything.
These sheets are the new AMOLED 3K displays used for the S25 Ultra.
The displays are laser cut into perfect smartphone sizes.
Testing color, brightness, touch response. Every panel must pass.
Phone's frame is CNC, cut from aircraft-grade aluminum.
The frame is polished to get that premium flagship finish.
These chambers help create louder, cleaner sound. Samsung 25 Ultra.
The motherboard, battery, and camera are now placed inside the frame.
The display is attached with micro-precision alignment tools. Back glass is glued and UV cured for strength.
P68 sealing is added to make the phone water resistant. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra.
It's alive!
This is the first boot test of the S25 Ultra.
One click installs the entire Samsung One UI 7 system, Samsung S25 Ultra type.
They calibrate colors, autofocus, stabilization, everything. They drop test units to ensure durability before shipping.
And finally, the S25 Ultra is boxed, sealed, and ready to ship worldwide.